BINI members naging mas maalaga kay BINI Aya. The latest update of BINI as they bloom wherever they go. Napansin na naging mas maalaga ang BINI members sa kasamang si BINI Aya, matapos magkasakit at mag-absent sa 3 events ng BINI. During the BINI Fun Run, mapapansin na di pa okay ang kanyang kondisyon at iba ang sigla compared sa pagiging jolly, active, makulit sa kanyang mga kasama. Sa stage, lumapit sina BINI Joanna at Colette kay BINI Aya, may pahawak pa sa 2 kamay, inalalayan at ginaid pa sa kanyang pwesto. May pa-backrub pa si BINI Colette kay BINI Aya, it may be a sign for assurance or that she is present for her. Sa float naman may inabot para kay BINI Aya pero malayo ito, kaya si BINI Colette ang kumuha at inabot ito kay BINI Aya. Pasimple rin na patingin-tingin sina BINI Mika at BINI Colette kay BINI Aya para i-sure kung okay lang ba siya. BINI love and care for each other, that's why we can see how close they are. They are caring for someone who is sick and be there for each other. When blooms of BINI Aya's condition and BINI being caring, they were touched. They appreciated it so much and hope she will have a long rest before the concert. And also the rest of BINI members to take care of themselves and rest so that they will not get sick.